Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're still using Windows 10, then mark this date, October 14. That's the day Microsoft officially stops giving security updates for Windows 10. Yes, your PC will still run, but it won't be safe anymore. And for many people, upgrading to Windows 11 isn't possible because of hardware limitations, TPM 2.0, secure boot, unsupported CPUs, the list goes on. But don't worry. Today I'm going to show you the perfect alternative for your old PC or laptop. Here comes Zorin OS, a super fast, secure, and Windows-like operating system that can give your old hardware a brand new life.
So first, why should you leave Windows 10? 1. No more security updates after the 14th of October 2025. 2. No more bug fixes. 3. Increasing security risks. 4. Many apps will start dropping support soon. This is where Zorin OS comes in. It's a Linux-based operating system designed specifically for people coming from Windows. And the best part, you don't need a new PC. Even an old system with low specs can run it smoothly. By the way, we're not covering the installation process in this video because there are tons of detailed tutorials already available on YouTube. Today's focus is something more important: how Zorin OS actually feels like Windows and why it's a perfect alternative. Zorin OS versus Windows. Similarities 1. Windows-like desktop layout. It looks like Windows taskbar at the bottom. Start menu style, system tray, everything feels familiar. 2. Easy app installation. You get a software store similar to Microsoft Store. Just click search install. 3. Runs Windows apps, but it is optional with tools like wine and bottles. Many Windows apps and games can run here too. 4. Office alternative, need MS Word. Excel, PowerPoint. You get LibreOffice, which opens all your documents easily. 5. Faster performance on old hardware. Zorin OS is lightweight. Your old PC will feel new, faster boot. Smoother multitasking. Less heating. 6. No viruses. No forced updates. Since it's Linux-based, viruses are extremely rare. Plus, no forced restarts. No update torture. Zorin OS editions. There are multiple versions: Core, Lite, Pro. For most people, Zorin OS Core is perfect and completely free. So if your PC can't upgrade to Windows 11 and you don't want to stay stuck on insecure Windows 10, Zorin OS is the best alternative you can switch to. Try it for a week. Trust me, you might not want to go back to Windows. If you want a full Zorin OS installation guide or a Zorin versus Windows comparison, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips.